So here I'm going to show you how you can make an order from the customer application of P2G. Okay, so there is two options for that. One, you can go to the restaurant and make your order directly, or you can go to the compare screen. You can compare any kind of food that you want to buy. After that, you can basically make a order. Okay, so at the starting I'm going to show you how you can compare a food before going to make an order. Okay, so suppose I just want to buy any product, just like a paneer tikka. Okay, so in that case, either I can search from the top, okay, from here, or I can go to the character, oh sorry, go to the category directly and then choose the food. Okay, so right now I'm just going to the category, the food. Tandoori starter is the category in which I can get the tandoori paneer tandoori tikka. Okay, so here the paneer tikka is there. I'm going there. So now you can see there are only two restaurants who are delivering paneer tikka at your location, or I mean in my location. Okay, so you can get all the attributes over here. So right now we don't have any rating on that, that's why it's not there. Otherwise you will also get to know what is the rating of the particular food, and that is related to a particular restaurant. Okay, so suppose I just want to choose a people choice restaurant to make an order, so I will click on that. After that, I will be there in the menu items of that particular restaurants. Okay, so there is only two category for that people choice restaurants. One is your tandoori starter and another one is the tandoori non-veg tandoori starter. Okay, so see, now I'm going to the first one, and then going to add a particular order. Suppose I just want to buy 7 portion for that. Okay, if I want to buy anything else, suppose there is any item in non-veg tandoori, in that case also I can add. Okay, so I'm just writing one, go to the cart menu. Now suppose I think I don't want to buy this chicken lollipop, so I'm just going to delete that. Okay, so you can basically go from here also, or you can get back and later on you can go to the same from here. Okay, so we also have a chat bot, with that you can take a help of that. Okay, we will come to it later, but now we are going to the card. Okay, so going to make a payment for that. Okay, so there is two options, one is the delivery and another one is the takeaway, so you can choose anyone. Okay, suppose currently I'm going to show you a demo of the delivery. Okay, so there is an option where you can get the various kind of promotion that is applicable to that particular restaurant. So, okay, so I'm suppose choosing evergreen 50. So here there is a discount of 80 rupees right now, and the super saving wallet discount is what we are giving the extra discount to the customer, that will be deducted from the wallet amount. Okay, actually while registering a customer, that time we are giving 500 rupees credit into his wallet. Okay, so right now I'm just going to do a cash on delivery, correct. If I want, I can change the address as well, but this option is not here at this point of time. We can change this from the beginning. Okay, okay, we can change from here, and accordingly you will see the restaurants who are delivering from there. Suppose okay, there is an item over there. Okay, I'm going to show you one more thing, after that I will do the order. The same thing you can do from the restaurant menu. Okay, so here you can go directly to the restaurant part, then choose a category, then add. Okay, the same thing is there. So just get back to the order menu. Okay, I'm just going to add one more discount, and then going to order with cash on delivery options. Okay, so placing order. So my order has been placed. Okay, see this is a notification that a restaurant guy will get at the time of a new order. Okay, so because I have both of the application into this uh, mobile, that's why I'm getting this notifications else as well. Okay, I'm not going to show you that is at this point of time. Okay, now you can check your order from this. menu, I mean the profile menu. Okay, there are various menu item. You can see the current order, all order request, update profile, rate, passbook, everything is there. At the top you can see what is your wallet balance. Okay, so I'm just going to the current order. Okay, so this is my current order where I can see the location part of the restaurants. Okay, and it's totally depend upon the restaurants. The rider is going to deliver the food, or the restaurant is basically want to deliver by themselves. Okay, we can reject the same from here. Okay, so currently we are seeing that the order is pending right now. So the order status will change accordingly after restaurants just accept the food. Okay, just wait 1 second. See, once restaurants accept your order, your status will be changed accordingly. Okay, the OTP at the top of the this one at the top, it's only the OTP you will get at the time of delivery. Means is this OTP you need to give to the rider for the successful delivery. Okay, so now you can see the food is being prepared by the restaurants. Okay, and at the same time you will get real time notifications as well. Okay, and a mail also. See, this is your the notifications. And 1 second. See, so this is your notification, this one. And at the top you will also get a mail for that. Okay, so this kind of systems are also there. So let me complete the same till the delivery. See, once the food is being prepared, I mean after the preparation of the food, once rider just pick up the food, at that time the customer will get a notification for the OTP. See this one. Okay, and he can also check the same if he missed the the notification. At that time he can check from the invoice also. So there is a OTP. Now this OTP need to pass on to the rider for a successful delivery. Without giving this delivery, or this OTP, delivery can't be successful. Okay, so now see, once the food is delivered, the invoice will move out from the current order. Okay, so now there is nothing. Okay, but you can see your all invoices from this location. You can also give the rating for the same. Okay, suppose you want to just give a rating for any any food, you can do that. Okay, so you can only give a rating for once only. Okay, suppose there is a two product, you can give two. So this is a rating system also we are following. Okay, so that's it. It's a very small application as of now. There are many features that will be incorporated after some time of launching. Okay, thanks.